Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Mom Essy Kitchen and More. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious and perfect chicken pie filling, which is very suitable for all Nigerian chicken pies and other pastry fillings. So without further ado, let's dive into this simple and yet very rich recipe. So first thing first, I'm going to be showing you how to make the chicken breast out of the chicken laps. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. You can see how I'm doing what? I'm dissecting the chicken itself, that's the chicken laps, bringing out all the breast in it. Can you beat that? Yes, that is what I do on this channel. Remember, in one of my videos I showed you how to make meat pie without what? The minced meat, and this is just this kind of process, and that's why I'm bringing this also as a chicken pie without the chicken breast. Did you see that? So this is just the process. Make sure you wash the chicken, remove the skin, and then try and bring out all the breast parts and dice it into little chips, and that is just what you're seeing. Then after this process, we are going to be doing was start the frying. First thing, adding the vegetable oil into the pot, let that heat up, add in the onions, then you stir, and after this you just add in what? The chicken breast that we have actually done what? We have produced. So that is the process you're watching right now, and people, let me tell you, this is the best. Okay, it gives you everything very clean, nicely washed, and so on. So that is it. So after this, just stir, and after stirring for a little time, I allow that to steam up, and after it has steamed up, do you know what I will do next? I'll be adding in the dried ingredients, and check out how that is going to go. I added in first the nutmeg, and after the nutmeg I'll be adding in the black pepper. After the black pepper I'll be adding in what? I'll be adding in the curry. Remember, all list of ingredients will be left in the description box, and also I'll be adding in my white pepper, as you can rightly see. Then also the seasoning cube nicely squeezed in, and then I stir, and remember, I'm also going to be adding in other things like the salt, and also I added in the chicken spice. As you can see, that's just what I added, and I'm also going to be adding in what? The thyme. That's what you'll be seeing next after this time. So people, remember, all the ingredients will be left in the description box at your convenience. Please make judicious use of it. So after this whole adding, just stir and then add in your veggies. I added first the potatoes, which has been nicely chopped. Stir together, then get what? Get your pepper. I added in my dry pepper, then I put in directly my green peas. I forgot to add in that pepper earlier on, and I needed this to be a bit spicy. Okay, so here are the green peas. It is frozen, and that is why I'm just pouring that in, as you can see. And after that, people, I'll be adding in my carrots. These are the three veggies I actually used, and remember, onions is also a veggie. So that is part of it. So everyone, you can see how this has come together. And after this, adding your boiled hot water. Remember, I always emphasize on boiled hot water so that the cooking process will not be what? Slowed down. And that is what it is, people. The next thing I'll add is the thickener, but before that, make sure you like this video and don't forget to share to your friends and families, and also remember to leave a resounding comment at the end. And in case you're new, this is the perfect time to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new video. Did you see how that thickener was added? That is just flour that I melted in water, and then this is the consistency I am getting. Like people, and you can see it is ready after 2 to 3 minutes, and this is the outcome after adding the thickener. See how soupy is looking. My kids truly enjoyed this way before I even added it to the dough. This is to tell you that our next video will be the proper chicken pie, adding these fillings to it. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and More. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.